Ayan, good morning guys. So pupuntahan po namin yung Pool of Siloam pala. So we're going to see the Pool of Siloam. So actually part na rin po yan ng Pool of Siloam. Pero we're going to see Pool of Siloam mga kapatid. I think pinagawa pa yan ni Hezekiah mga kapatid. King Hezekiah.